Hi, this is Rajesh. My roll number is 297856, branch aeronautical engineering, and today we are discussing about the topic is realization aircraft manufacturing, the Airbus experience with humanoid robots. Introduction. In this presentation, we will explore Airbus groundbreaking use of humanoid robots in aircraft manufacturing. We will develop into the challenges faced and the remarkable outcomes achieved. Evolution of manufacturing. The integration of humanoid robots in aircraft manufacturing marks a significant shift in the industry. This has led to increase the integration of humanoid robots in aircraft manufacturing marks a significant shift in the industry. This has led to increased efficiency, precision and safety in production process. Role of humanoid robots. Humanoid robots at Airbus perform tasks such as assembling components, welding, and quality inspections. Their dexterity and adaptability have revolutionized, revolutionized the production line. Challenges and innovations. Implementing humanoid robots poses challenges in safety protocols, programming complexity, and integration with existing systems. Airbus overcome these through innovative solution and rigorous testing. Impact on efficiency. The use of humanoid robots has significantly enhanced production efficiency at Airbus. This has resulted in the reduced lead time, im- improved quality control, and increases output capacity. Human robot collaboration. At Airbus, a seamless collaboration between human workers and humanoid robots has been achieved. This, this synergy has led to a human harmonious and productive work environment. Quality assurance. Humanoid robots play a pivotal role in ensuring quality assurance at Airbus. Their precision and consistency have elevated the standard of aircraft manufacturing to the new heights. Future prospects. The success of humanoid robots at Airbus proves the way for future advancement in automation, AI integration, and collaborative robotics across the aerospace industry. Key takeaways. The integration of humanoid robots has redefined aircraft manufacturing, enhancing efficiency, precision, and safety. Airbus pioneering use of the technology sets a new standard for the industry. And finally, the conclusion. In conclusion, Airbus utilization of humanoid robots represents a paradigm shift in aircraft manufacturing. The successful incorporation of this technology sets a precedent for innovation and excellence in the industry. Thank you.